we're making a little gift for Mommy for Mother's Day. First idea, you need to get a rock. I know it sounds silly, but trust me. You could choose any color you like, but I tried to choose my mommy's favorite colors. This is a very easy project to do, but we're painting it right now, and it looks beautiful already. It looks super pink. Then we're gonna add the words, "My mom rocks." You can make this for your grandma too, if you want, or your aunt, your teacher, any mom. I apologize about the dogs, but we wanted to do this outside because outside it will be more better because it's beautiful outside. You keep painting the rock. Be patient. There's no need to worry. And the little shiny spots. My mom's favorite color is green, but she loves this one too. It's pink. People call this color salmon. I know it's weird. It's a weird color word. Isn't salmon a fish? If you want to call something salmon, you have to only call one thing salmon, right? Oh no, looks like salmon. Then you call it salmon. We wrote a little message for Mommy on the rock. Now we're gonna make a beautiful flower painting for Mommy. These are the things that you need. First, we need a paper or a canvas, paint, marker, a plate. You need to put a handprint on the paper or the canvas. We use finger paint on our hands to make the flower. Now we need to make a stem and the leaves. For the stem, we're going to use paint. I'm going to use real leaves for this project. Let's go look for leaves, see what we can find. Flowers bloom in spring, and Mother's Day is in springtime. So now all of the plants that are here on the earth are growing. Now we get the leaves and glue them on the canvas. Or you can just use paint for the leaves. Just add a little bit of glue and then add the leaf. Now you get a grown-up to help you write the message. I thought the sun will look nice here. Adiós, amigos.